Good afternoon, goeiemiddag, dumelang. So it's back to square one today again. so the projector has got 3 power supplies in it, and the one ain't repairable. So my technician said he's not gonna be able to fix it, which is not the end of the world, because guess what? We're gonna take a small knock, and then we'll get running again. So later today we're gonna look at what we're gonna possible buys. I saw there's a comment of a mechanical keyboard. Maybe we'll buy a mechanical keyboard. I saw one on Cash Converters for a decent price, a proper one, if it's still there, because those things sell quickly on Cash Converters, I saw. And then I'll keep you guys posted. So let's get the ball rolling. At the beginning, if you guys do something like this, in the beginning, it's easy to get frustrated because you've got like very little to work with. While you guys will see, as soon as we reach about 5 to 10,000 rand, it just multiplies like this. So it's just to get out of the blocks. So bear with me while we busy making 100 rand here and 100 rand there. But when we will win, soon we will drive the car. I'm still waiting for the comments. I saw the one guy said, Russell said, a Hilux. So I know there's a lot of fanboys with the Hilux, maybe the Fords, maybe a Porsche, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, the guys with the Jeeps, we like the Jeeps, but maybe something else. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I'm excited.